Reclining seat भएको हुन्छ त्यही चढ्छु. Nobody says that. They say म पोखरा जाने बस खोज्दैछु, म बिट्टामोड जाने बस, महेन्द्रनगर जाने बस, जनकपुर जाने बस. They are looking for the bus which will take them where they are going. If you are just standing around thinking I want to go to Pokhara, and you go to Pokhara bus, and a whole bunch of friends come. ए कहाँ जान्ला त? पोखरा जान्ला. कहाँ छ पोखराको बस? किन जान्ला पोखरा यसो जाडोमा? केही न केही पोखरामा गएर कि माउन्टेन पनि देख्दैन के पनि देख्दैन. हामी भैरवा जान्ला छ. गएको छस् लुम्बिनी? छैन. Birthplace of Buddha. Buddha is born in Nepal. Oh yes. Hindi हामीसँग. So you get onto the bus with them. And it's a wonderful journey. There's no traffic jam, there's no landslide, there's no strike. गजबको गीत गाउँदै खाना खाँदै गफ गर्दै ठ्याक्क भैरवा पुग्यो. And all of them say, yes, कस्तो छ हाम्रो बारेमा? एकदम गजबको journey. कति मजा भयो. Yeah. And they're also okay. And they go because उनीहरू त भैरवै जानु थियो. And you're walking around the bus stop. And someone asks you, के खोज्नु भएको तपाईले? अनि यो फेवा ताल कता होला? That is a short bus ride. Now imagine in the bus ride of your life, if you get on the wrong bus. If your happiness formula wants you to go east and you get on a bus going west, because that's what you think everybody else wants you to do. And 10 years, 15 years, 20 years down the line, you realize, how sad is that? They say you only live once, which is a lie. You live every moment of every day. You only die once. The problem is not to fear that you only die once. The problem is that you do not live that every moment of every day of your lives, and you just spend it trying to make someone else happy and not looking inside you and seeing what makes you happy. These 5 ingredients, work it out and you will see what it is that takes you to be happy. Let me ask you, what is the most important thing you need to climb Mount Everest? Oxygen? Courage? Exactly. The most important thing you need to climb Mount Everest is Mount Everest. In your life, if you do not know which is the mountain you want to climb, you will be climbing every mountain that comes along. And you will not know whether you've reached or not because you don't know which mountain you want to climb. Your happiness formula will show you which mountain you want to climb. You want to be a banker? You want to be an engineer? You want to be a doctor? You want to be a politician? I don't know which mountain you want to climb. I barely know which mountain I want to climb. And same is with your mother and father and your people and your well-wishers. आफ्नो पहाड चढ्नु त उहाँहरुले कोसिस गरिराख्नु भएको भने यहाँले कुन पहाड चढ्ने भने that you have to determine. And that's what this is about. It's for you to think about what is the mountain you want to climb. Once you know the mountain, Annapurna chadne, Dhaulagiri chadne, Kilimanjaro chadne, Australian mountain chadne, American mountain, Korean mountain, Japanese mountain, Nepali mountain, कुन mountain चढ्ने त म त्यो थाहा हुने बित्तिकै mountain त थाहा भयो त्यो माथि कसरी पुग्ने थाहा हुँदैन नि त्यसको लागि फेरि you need to look inside you. And I take you to an example. Does everyone know Paras Khadga? Shakti Gaushan? Yeah. I know them too. I love them. So I go to Kritipur from time to time when they're practicing and I go and they come and say, Dai, how are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm practice गरिरहेछु. के गरिरहेछु? के practice? Cricket नि Dai, cricket खेलिरहेछु. And I asked Paras, and Paras, तिमीहरु जति राम्रो क्रिकेट खेल्ने यो देशमा कोही छ होला? And they look and say, Dai, छैन होला न त हामीसँग खेलिरहेको हुन्थ्यो होला नि. I said, so you're the best of the best in cricket? तिमीले खेले कति भयो 15 वर्ष कोहीको 10 वर्ष 20 वर्ष कति भयो खेले अनि तिमीले फुटबल कस्तो खेल्छौ नि dribbling, tackling, you look at me, Daichi, football. Oh, football. Ramru coach as a Japanese, Anfa ground ma football, he's sikana. Daichi vannu bhako football हामी खेल्ने. And they go back to play cricket. And I go to Anfa, and there I meet Navayog and all the wonderful non-tainted footballers who are now shooting goals and winning matches and all that. And they come, Dai, how are you? Fine. I say, के हेर्दा? Football Dai, Japanese coach मार लाइछ खेल्या खेलेछौ हामी त फुटबल. अच्छा अनि तिमीहरु जहिले पनि फुटबल खेलिरहेको हुन्छ. फुटबलमा तिमीहरु जति राम्रो खेल्ने यो देशमा कोही छँदै छैन होला. तिम्रो बोलिङ कस्तो छ? ब्याटिङ, फिल्डिङ. अनि दाइ कहाँ? क्रिकेट हैन र दाइ? त्यही भनेको क्रिकेट. कहाँ क्रिकेट खेल्छौ दाइ हामी त? अनि फुटबल खेल्छौ. फुटबल हो दाइ. फुटबल. And they laugh and go back and I think, what is this? The way they are living their life and the way I and all of you are living our lives is completely different. किन हामी के गर्छौँ हाम्रो जिन्दगीमा? पढ्दाखेरि के गर्नुभयो? एउटा क्लासमा जानुभयो, अकाउन्ट्सको म्याम आएर अकाउन्ट्स पढाउँदाखेरि तपाईलाई अकाउन्ट्स आउँदैन, तपाईँ लुक्नु कोसिस गर्नुभयो, तपाईको मित्रलाई एकदम राम्रो अकाउन्ट आउँछ, एकदम हात उठाएको छ, सबै चीज ब्यालेन्स गरिरहेको छ, एभ्रिथिङ इज वन्डरफुल एन्ड शी लुक्स एट यु एन्ड सेज के भयो तँलाई? ए कुरा नगर्ने म्यामले देख्ला मलाई. And then accounts finishes, next is marketing class, and in marketing your छाती is ठुलो, your एकदम 5 fees, 4 fees, यो त्यो उता साथी हेर्दाखेरि साथी लुकिरहेछ. त्यस्तो गाह्रो अकाउन्ट्स आउने मान्छे मलाई के भयो अहिले? ए कुरा नगर सरले यहाँ कोही मलाई सोध्छ. सर आउँदैन यस्तो कालो अक्षर भैँसी बराबर. So you both go home and your father asks you, कस्तो भइरहेछ त? सबै चिज त ठिक छ तर अकाउन्ट्समा त सकेर फेल हुन्छ जस्तो छ. ए मेरो लङ्गोटिया यार सर अकाउन्ट्सको सुपर अकाउन्टेन्ट उसले आएर घरमै ट्युसन दिन्छ तर अकाउन्ट्समा नो प्रब्लम. यो फ्रेन्ड गोज होम सेज सेम थिङ मार्केटिङमा सक्दिनँ एकदम मार्केटिङको ट्युसन दिन्छौँ हामी किन नसक्ने मेरो छोरीले मार्केटिङ यु विल बी टपर. सो व्हाट डु यु डु? You look at what your weakness is and you put all your time, your resources, your money into making that weakness average. Accounts mein average hoos, marketing mein average, Angrezi mein average, whatever it is. It is like Paras Khadga going and learning how to swim or play football. He doesn't. He only plays cricket. I will throw some names out at you. Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Ani Choing, Nelson Mandela. Whenever I threw this name, yahan ko dimag mein kya aaya? Euta cheez aaya. When I said Nelson Mandela, how many of you thought ping pong? Do you know how well he played ping pong? I don't. When I said Steve Jobs, how many of you thought mountain climbing? Harek manche bhandakari you think of one thing that they excelled at. That they were not good, not great, they were exceptional at. What makes you think you can do 10 things? When you come for a job, we ask you, La Bhanusta, what can you do? And so many times the person says, sir, I can do everything. And you know what I hear? I can do nothing. That's what I hear. That is why to mountain climb Godmalai, you need to look inside you and find out what is your core strength, your core competency. What am I good at? I want to become great, I want to be exceptional. Forget those things that I'm not good at. I'm not going to say, marketing job. No, I don't have the time, the money, the resources. If you're good at marketing, you'll do marketing. If you're good at operations, you'll do operations. If you're good at accounts, you'll do accounts. But you need to know what you are good at. If you don't know what you're good at, who will know? Not me, not your parents, nobody else. You need to know what is your core competencies, your core strengths, and you need to concentrate on that. Once you do that, till today I have not met anyone on Bhai. What is your favorite subject? I love math. I love it. Oh, very good. I cannot pass it, Dai. I'm failing it all the time, but I love it. How many people say that? I have not met a single person who says that. Like football, tell me something about football. Basketball, I love playing football. No. You love playing the game that you're good at doing. You love the subject that you're excelling in. Life is exactly the same. You will love doing what you are great at doing. And once you find that, and you dovetail it in with your happiness formula, that is what your career is about. That is what your life is about. And today, why do we spend so much time talking about career? Because when you heard Anil Shah You did not think यो कसको नाति हो, कसको छोरा हो, कुन गाउँबाट आउँछ, यसको जात के हो, यसको रिलिजन के हो, हैन यो कहाँ बस्छ. You didn't think any of those things. You immediately thought mega banker, youth motivator. That is my life path, that is my pehchan. That's why I tell people of your age, nobody today says, कति वर्ष भयो? 25 वर्ष. अब के गर्ने? अब बिहा गर्दिन. मसँग जो आयो गर्दिन. उमेर भइहाल्यो गर्ने. Nobody says that. You spend so much time and effort to make sure your life partner is the person you want to spend the rest of your life with. Well, guess what? Your career is your true life partner. For the last 25 years, I get up every morning at around 6 o'clock. I go to gym, eta uta, puja, I go to work. I go home at 7:30, 8 o'clock. I spend that much time with my life partner till maybe 10 o'clock before I go to sleep. And next day I do the same thing again and again, week after week, month after month, year after year, for 25 years. And that's what you'll be doing as well. So if you are married to the person you love, wonderful person, but you hate your career, you're going to have a miserable life. Just like you have a great career, you're married to a miserable person, you're also going to have a miserable life. But the effort you need to take to think, ke banne ta? Banker banne, doctor banne, engineer banne, त्यो अनिल शाहले आएर भन्ने हैन. अहिले नेपालमा there are a lot of opportunities. Whether you want to go into media, into banking, into teaching, whatever you want, there's scope for you. But you must want it. यो होइन कि सबैजना इन्जिनियर बनिरहेछ, म पनि इन्जिनियर बन्ने, ब्याङ्कर बनिरहेछ, ब्याङ्कर बन्ने, सबै मिडियामा गइरहेछ, म पनि mass communication गर्ने. No. You determine what you want to do, what makes you happy. You look at your core competencies and strengths, your happiness formula, you dovetail those two in. And then you know what career to follow, what is the path you want to journey on for your life. And when you do that, wow, what an amazing life you'll have. I don't know if you'll make lots of money. I don't know if you'll need it. I don't know if you will be very well known in the world. I don't know if you need it. I know one thing though, you will be very, very happy doing whatever it is that you're doing. And at the ultimate, at the end where I started, that is what matters. हामी सबै सिर्फ खुशी हुन चाहन्छौँ. हाम्रो जिन्दगीको गन्तव्य भनेकै खुशी हुनु हो. At this point you may not fully realize that, but as you live along, you will see the depth of that. And that is truly, the faster you realize that, the quicker you move on the right path. And you don't have to wait till tomorrow. You don't have to wait till you get your job. You don't have to wait till you become a manager. I want to end with this example. Bakhar, I came back from Pokhara. I love Pokhara. How many people love Pokhara over here? Yeah, we all love Pokhara. I came back from Pokhara. I've been going to Pokhara since I can remember, and I will continue to go as far as I can. But at one point, when my daughter was very small, I was in Pokhara, and usko school ma chai littering ko bare ma sodaउँदै थियो. कि लिटरिङ गर्नु हुँदैन, फोहोर फाल्नु हुँदैन, नराम्रो बानी हो यो त्यो भन्दाखेरि हामीले सबै भएको फोहोर हाम्रो खल्तीमा बोक्नु पर्थ्यो, घर आएर ट्रास क्यानमा हाल्नु पर्ने, मोटरमा ब्याग बोकेर फोहोर फाल्नु पर्ने. फोहोर कहीँ फाल्न हामीलाई दिँदैन थियो उसले. पोखरामा फेवातालमा एज युजुअल एज एभ्रिबडी डज बोटिङको लागि लाइनमा उभिरहेको थियौँ. हामी पनि एउटा ठुलो हुल थियौँ, परिवार साथीभाइहरू, र हाम्रो अगाडि हामी छिमेकी राष्ट्रको पनि एउटा ठुलो हुल थियो. र छिमेकी राष्ट्रको मित्रले चाहिँ चाउचाउ खाएर फोहोर त्यो प्याकेट फालिदिनु भएछ भनेर मेरो छोरीले मेरो यसो ज्याकेट तानेर के भयो बा, he is littering, and followed by of course she's Nepali, so and he's not even Nepali. So the choice before me, the first one was to look at her and say, "Hera chori ke गर्ने हैन, हामी लिटर नगरौँ, अब अरूले के गर्छ त्यसमा त हामीले के भन्न सक्छौँ र." Then I thought, त्यो मैले छोरीलाई भनेँ भने छोरी will think she's a smart girl and say, "हे तरिका म मेरो बुवा मुवाले फोहोर नफाल्ने, अरू सबैले फोहोर फाल्ने, अनि मेरो देश सफा कसरी हुने, ए फाल म पनि फोहोर गल्ती गर्छु." You start littering as well. That's not what I want. Second option, I am from a place called Birkot, which is in Sangja. We are Thapuris. Half of me is Newara. And त्यो अलिकति रगत तातिहाल्छ भने हामीलाई जात समाज हाथी यहाँ क्षेत्रले चाउचाउ प्याकेटमा कहीँ खाइ चाउचाउ खायो प्याकेट. I like that idea. But then I thought, होइन यो त म बिस्तारै बिस्तारै बुढो हुँदैछु, छोरी जवान हुँदैछ, यो इक्जाम्पल दिएँ भनेदेखि त नेक्स्ट टाइम छोरी र मेरो डिस्कसन हुँदाखेरि उसले त के सिक्या हुन्छ, त्यही डिस्कसन भए जा घाँटीमा घाँटी खाउँदाखेरि त्यो पनि ठिक त भएन फेरि. नट गुड इक्जाम्पल. So I told her, "Ek minute, छोरीमा आएँ भनेर." So I walked through this crowd of other tourists, tapped this gentleman on the thing and said, "Excuse me, please." And he stepped aside, and I bent down, picked up that chow chow packet, doko raheko cha thing, threw it in the doko, came back and said, "We love our country. We want to keep it beautiful. Please enjoy." And then I came and stood next to my daughter and I looked at the way she looked at me. I'll never forget. It's like, "Father, Daddy is God." Only she's big, she doesn't think that anymore. But and I looked at the way his kids were looking at him. And I don't know if he ever litters in life or not, but I know in Nepal he never littered again. To make that decision, you don't have to have an MBA or a PhD or a BBA, or you have to be well. Just like me, all of you need to make these decisions every day. म लिडर बन्छु भनेर भोलिलाई पर्खिने हैन के यो भएपछि म लिडर बन्छु भने त्यो भएपछि हैन आजदेखि भन्नु जे डिसिजन बनाउँछ त्यो डिसिजनमा भन्नु लिडर बन्नु That is up to you. That is up to each and every one of you. And to be the best leaders, to be the best that you can be, just know each other. And I look forward to that day. A lot of people tell me, BBA, BBS, MBA, MBS, we want to be just like you in life. You're our icon, so on and so forth. So I end by telling you this. For me, it is not acceptable that you want to be just like me. It is not. It is not acceptable to Ravindraji, it's not acceptable to Subin, I'm sure. It is not acceptable to any of us who are doing the best that we can, running as fast as we can, that you want to be just like us. You have more education, more exposure, more opportunities than we ever did when we were your age. And if you want to be just like us, in the best case scenario, you will be just like us. But all of us, not only me, all of the people who will be speaking to you today, हामी के दिनलाई गरिरहेछौँ वेट गरिरहेछौँ भनेदेखि त्यो दिन जुन दिन कि हामीले यसो हेर्दाखेरि यहाँहरू हामी सँगसँगै दौडिरहेको हुनुहुन्छ and you will look at us and we will look at you and say आइपुग्यौँ नि हामीलाई and we will say yes you were right and we will run a few miles together then we will look at each other again and we will smile knowing one thing that now we are holding you back because you have more potential, more ability than we ever had to go much further ahead than we ever will. And when you leave us and you go on ahead to do things we have never even imagined, हामी जस्तो मान्छे चाहिँ त्यो दिन एउटा ठुलो पिपलको बोट पाएर मुनतिर बसेर we'll smile, we'll talk, we'll enjoy, we'll be happy because we will know our institutions, our society, our nation is in much better hands than it was when it was with us because now it is in your hands. And that is the way that I live. Thank you very much.